How much are Panasonic TVs? Panasonic TVs come in different price ranges based on screen size, display technology, and features. Budget models start at around $200 to $400. Mid-range models cost between $500 and $1,200, while high-end OLED or premium 4K models can range from $1,500 to over $2,000, $3,000. Prices vary depending on resolution, refresh rate, and smart features. First, price range of budget Panasonic TVs. Entry-level Panasonic TVs, typically 32 to 43 inches, are priced between $200 and $400. These models often come with full HD or basic 4K resolution and essential smart features. They are suitable for smaller rooms and casual viewing. Second, mid-range Panasonic TVs. Mid-range models with screen sizes from 50 to 65 inches cost between $500 and $1,200. These TVs offer 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, and advanced smart features. They provide better picture quality and performance for home entertainment. Third, high-end Panasonic OLED and premium 4K TVs. Premium Panasonic TVs such as OLED and high-end 4K models range from $1,500 to over $3,000. These TVs feature deep blacks, high refresh rates, Dolby Vision, and superior color accuracy, making them ideal for cinematic viewing and gaming. Fourth, factors affecting Panasonic TV prices. Panasonic TV prices depend on screen size, panel type, LED, OLED, refresh rate, 60 Hz versus 120 Hz, and smart features. Higher-end models with advanced display technology and premium audio features cost more. 5. Where to buy and find the best deals. Panasonic TVs are available at electronics stores, online retailers, and Panasonic's official website. Prices fluctuate based on seasonal sales, discounts, and special promotions. Shopping during major sales events like Black Friday or holiday sales can help secure better deals. Panasonic TV prices range from $200 for budget models to over $3,000 for high-end OLED models. Choosing the right TV depends on budget, screen size preference, and required features. Checking for discounts and promotions can help get the best value for money.